IonQ up 14.05%. This is Thursday, the 26th of February 2026. The stock is trending after delivering financial results that significantly surpassed expectations, fueling community discussion about a potential short squeeze and the strategic implications of its recent SkyWater acquisition. The market is actively debating its strong revenue growth and ambitious quantum computing roadmap against continuing profitability challenges. The company secured a spot on the Missile Defense Agency's $151 billion SHIELD IDQ contract, positioning it for key roles in US national defense with its quantum technology. High short interest of up to 25% and 3 to 4 days to cover, and strong earnings have traders anticipating a massive short squeeze, pushing prices towards $40 plus. As you can see, just a slight discount to that, to those sort of levels. Traders are keenly watching for the stock to surpass the $40 mark, with many anticipating a climb toward previous highs of around $50 to $80 in the coming weeks. The stock's positive performance and strategic moves are signaling a broader resurgence and increasing relevance for the entire quantum computing sector. However, there are some concerns, which include the rapidly rising cash burn and execution risk around SkyWater technology integration and manufacturing scale up. Okay, so far 4.5 million shares have crossed the tape. 50-day average is usually around 19.7 million. It's hard to borrow, but the exact borrow rate is not there. Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, so this is its daily chart. So the stock is the strength is within a longer term, I would say neutral trend. Yeah, within a longer term neutral trend. And as of yesterday, the algos got it right. It was saying that today was going to be an up day, and that's what we're looking at right now. It's the short is going to maintain this strength up till the close of today's trading session. As a matter of fact, the stocks, the extrapolation is that high prices may prevail at least up to the 2nd of April, with some amount of volatility. Okay, so projections on this daily chart are saying 35.15 downward projection, 40.43, 44.42, 44.6, 46.88. Okay, so let's see now. The probability, it's currently at 38.26 right now. Let's see. Yeah, 38.31 right now. Okay, let's see. Let's see. 38.31. Okay, for the probability of it retesting 40.95. Let's see. Statistically, very high, higher than 50%. Surely, this is what I'm considering. This strip here, this strip holds the moving averages. You can see here SMAs 10, 21, 40, 200. So I'm considering the first moving average. Okay, and if the moving average is greater than your target, then you know you have a probability that is greater than 100%. Okay, so I was considering 40.95, 40.95 somewhere here. Yeah, 40.95. So statistically very high, higher than 50%. What of this Fibonacci projection here, this resistance at 42.43? Yeah, equally higher than 50%. What of 45.84? Yeah, higher than 50% as well. We're making progress. What of 49.70? Yes, slightly higher than 50%. 51.03. Okay, unfortunately, less than 50%. But yeah, the statistics is there. Let's have a look at its weekly chart. No extrapolations here, no extrapolations here. Projections are saying 61.71. Okay, so let's return to the daily chart and see what the price pressure momentums are going to tell us. Okay, on the 10-day moving averages, we're looking at yes, momentum aligning with this extrapolation here. Okay, so it's not going to be that stable, but positive volatility. Let's have a look at the, okay, let's see what the moving average is doing. It's losing 48 cents, roughly 49 cents every day. Positions open 10 days ago are not in profits, but maybe in profit now, given that it has printed a gain of 13.81%. We didn't check intraday high, that's 39.66. So it has actually pretty much printed $40 already and got a rejection there. Okay, let's see what the 21-day moving average is going to tell us. Yeah, yes. Upward bias as well. Yeah, aligning with this extrapolation. Okay, we want to see alignment. That's positive. Okay, 21-day, 40-day moving average. Okay, so in a very short time, it's a bit stable. Yeah, and then after that, we are looking at some a pickup in momentum. I think to some extent, yes. I mean, given that the 40-day moving average doesn't, you shouldn't expect it to really act that fast, and yeah, and then not a lot has really happened over the last course of days since early this month. The stock has just been consolidating, so I don't think it's out of place to see that the 40-day moving average is going to remain stable, but might begin to show strength afterwards. Okay, so I think we can say we have some alignment there. Okay, let's look at the 200-day moving average. I'm suspecting it might be stability maybe. Okay, it's expected to remain stable and then maybe dip slightly. Yeah, okay, and then stable. Yeah, okay. Well, to some extent, to some, I would say overall, there's more of a stability. So there is an indication that whatever is going to happen here may not really adversely affect the 40-day moving average. I mean, the 200-day moving average. So this stock is not trending at all. You can see here. The order is not. The order is such that you have the 200-day moving average. Okay, yes, well, yes, it's not trending. It's correcting. It's in a corrective phase. Yes, this is the sort of order you want to see. Yeah, it's correcting. So it's in a distributive or corrective phase, and this is what you want to see. The lower, the 10-day moving average below, the 21-day above the 10, 40 above the 21, and then 200 above the 40. So yes, it's this sort of order we are looking for. So for now, it is in a correction phase, might begin to pick up. We'll see how all of this will go. So keep watching and see. Let's see. It may. We don't exactly know whether this extrapolation is pointing to high prices to come. So, yeah. So the stock is currently trending right now. So let's see how all of this will pan out. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.